Okay, hey guys, how are you today? In today's video, sorry, I'm a little bit tired. In today's webinar, live trading webinar, live trading session, Forex webinar, I will talk about gold, about US dollar, about US oil, yeah, about silver, majors, Forex pairs, yeah, US equities, and cryptocurrencies. Okay, but first of all, as always, it's important for you to understand the risk also. So here is the risk disclaimer, and if you have questions about subscription services, please email support. Okay, and please guys, you can follow us on Instagram, of course, if you want, and also you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. So let's take a look, and also maybe we'll start with, let's take a look first of all on the dollar index. Osama, hi, where do you personally get the news from? Why? How are you, Osama? So let's take a look here on the dollar index, right? A strong sell-off, strong downside movement. I've told you here that yeah, personally I've decided to manage my long position in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar after I've noticed that the dollar index could develop a larger downside movement here after dropping below the channel's upside line, and also after registering this false breakout with great separation after dropping below 96.33. So right now, as I've said earlier today in a short analysis, actually I've shared my chart, my dollar index chart, with a short analysis. I've talked about the medium line of the descending pitchfork, and personally I hope that I will find something really good today during this live webinar, and I hope that I can share at least one trade. Personally, I'm still waiting for the Japanese yen maybe to confirm a potential rally. So we'll take a look on the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, also on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, because personally I still want maybe I want to go short, yeah, on these pairs, to go long on the Japanese yen, and maybe maybe we'll have something like an opportunity, a trade setup. Maybe I will open a trade here today. Okay, I see your messages in the VIP channel, and you know what news to look for. Yeah, Osama, Orlando has Live Squawk, yeah, as a news platform, portal or something, but yeah, I don't know, it's quite expensive maybe for you or something, I don't know, but personally I'm using something else, and yeah, maybe I will share it to you as well. And yeah, so the dollar index, let's take a look here. Earlier today, the non-farm employment change, yeah, worse than expected. Yeah, 301,000 versus 185,000 expected. So I don't know what to say, but maybe and most likely the non-farm payrolls on Friday could also come in worse than expected, and I don't know, I'm afraid that this is not good for the US dollar in the short term. And about the dollar index, as I've said earlier, when I've sent that chart and my short analysis into the VIP group, the price was here, and I've told you guys that it could resume its downside movement, maybe towards the medium line of the descending pitchfork, towards the 61.8, and I've told you that the dollar index is still bearish, and potential deeper drop could force the dollar to depreciate, okay, in the short term. Personally, I'll wait here for something around the medium line of the descending pitchfork, around the 61.8, because I don't know, dropping, test, retest, false breakdowns could signal a potential rebound, and a potential rebound here after this massive drop is natural, yeah, even if the US data came in worse than expected. So a rebound here could maybe help us to catch maybe new US dollar longs, okay? But personally, I'll wait for confirmation. I don't want to go long on the US dollar as long as the dollar index is still bearish, as long as the dollar index continues to drop, yeah? So this is my opinion. And please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, yeah, that's why I'm here. And but as you already know, personally, I'm taking a look on all markets during my live webinars, my public webinars, because personally I will host also VIP only webinars. I don't know, I will talk about fundamentals, I don't know, psychology in this VIP only, yeah, webinars. Also maybe, I don't know, technical analysis if you want, yeah. But and maybe tomorrow or on Friday I will host a VIP only webinar, yeah, only for the VIP members. So in these free and public webinars, live trading webinars, I'll take a look on all markets, trying to identify maybe opportunities, yeah. Adam Queen, hello, please can you look at, yeah, okay, I will take a look on that market. Let's take a look. So on platinum, so I have a buy position around 1028. Yeah, so you have a long position from around 1028. Yeah, I believe that you are in profit right now. So yeah, personally I'm not trading this this market too much, but I will take a look on platinum as well. And yeah, I don't have an analysis here, that's why I will try to build a new one here. Yeah, give me a few seconds here. So also I will draw here something like a Fibonacci retracement level. Yeah, so as you can see here, it has found support and demand right below 906.10. Yeah, it has failed here to stabilize below the 50% retracement level. And right now on the 4-hour chart, it challenges the 38.2. Yeah, and in the short term, yeah, it has decreased a little, but please take a look here. This former high as support, it has failed to stay below it, below 1008.20. So yeah, maybe in the short term it could maybe if it will maybe close and stabilize above the 38.2, it could extend its upside movement. Maybe it will try to approach and reach the downtrend line, okay. But yeah, I believe that you are already in profit, Adam Queen, which is really great. Maybe I will keep an eye also on platinum from now on, because I don't know, maybe I will identify trading opportunities. And here personally I will use also 1, 2 and 3 on ascending pitchfork. It has failed to approach and reach the medium line of the ascending pitchfork in the previous attempts, but yeah, as long as it stays above this static support, guys, yeah, test, retest, false breakdowns, I don't know, maybe platinum could extend its growth. Yeah, personally I want to also something like this, guys, here on the short term, on 1 hour. Yeah, because personally you can see here a descending pitchfork 1, 2 and 3. breakout retest of the upper medium line. Also here 1025.60, the weekly pivot point. And right now, as I told you, it challenges the 38.2 here. And I believe that's a new higher high here in the short term, if it will maybe jump, close and stabilize above 1051.22, could activate a potential further growth here in platinum. So this is my opinion here. Yeah. After this breakout, yeah, and maybe only something like this, if it will maybe drop, if it will maybe make a new lower low here in the short term, if it will maybe drop, close and stabilize below the weekly pivot point, it could come back down towards this support. Yeah. And also here you can see that the price has retreated, but here we have a psychological level, yeah, 1000. And yeah, boom, rally, and here a new higher high could signal potential growth towards these former highs, towards the medium line, towards the downtrend line. Yeah. So Adam Quinn, this is my opinion. That's a break of structure. It's just retesting before it heads down again. Yeah, maybe. Let's wait and see. But for me right now, after this false breakdown, yeah, it could maybe, I don't know, come back at least maybe towards these former highs or something. Yeah, or in the short term it could move sideways, I don't know. But right now, no, I will not be a seller here. Yeah, in platinum. Yeah. Also, as long as the price stays above the immediate uptrend line, yeah. But I told you, something like this, maybe a very breakdown, a new lower low, could signal potential drop or something. Yeah, but here, yeah, this is my opinion. This is not a recommendation. This is not a trading signal or something. I'm not a financial advisor, but yeah, this is my opinion here in. Yeah, Adam Quinn, thank you as well. So let's talk about gold, guys. Right now, it continues to stay right below the weekly pivot point, 1808.62, 1808.62. Because I told you guys that earlier today we had this ADP non-farm employment change, yeah, worse than expected, guys. And also, because you asked me, Osama, if you are still here, I will read something from my news platform. The United States is to negotiate with China, Japan and India about delivering gas to Europe, yeah, to protect against shortages amid tensions, guys. Yeah. So something from my news terminal platform or something. So here, guys, the non-farm employment change more than expected, and this indicator could still keep the price of gold, the yellow metal, higher in the short term. But if you remember, personally, I've shared my opinion here and my analysis. I've shared a video analysis talking about this major symmetrical triangle. Yeah, I've talked about this up channel here, but as you can see here, maybe I will yeah, I will delete these here. As you can see here, the price of gold, yellow metal, failed here to reach the triangle's resistance, failed also to hit the triangle support. Yeah, so I don't know, something like an indecision here, a temporary rebound here only because the dollar index retreated. Yeah, but I don't know. Personally, I don't know if the tensions between Russia and Ukraine will continue, and I don't know if it will, maybe this situation will escalate or something, or I don't know, maybe the price of gold, yeah, will jump higher. Also silver maybe will jump higher, because something like this could bring a risk of sentiment into the markets. And but right now personally I don't have something really good in gold. I don't know. I don't want to sell it here. I don't want to buy it here. I need something, I don't know. Personally, I want maybe for the price to come back down here to retest the uptrend line, the 1784.90 before jumping higher, okay? And a bullish pattern here. So drop, falls, breakdown with great separation, test, retest, bullish engulfing, or any other bullish pattern here in this support zone could really bring us maybe new long opportunity. So I want something like this because I will not buy it here because the price could come back down, okay? That's why I will not go long right now here, even if the I don't know, even if the dollar index is still bearish. Also maybe in the short term here, I don't know, on 1 hour, I don't know, maybe if it will maybe jump, close and stabilize above the weekly pivot point, it could extend its upside movement, and maybe we'll have something like a channel or something. Yeah, maybe we'll have something like this as well. But right now I'll wait for something, for a fresh new opportunity, for a, I don't know, high probability trade, because right now I don't have something really good, yeah, in gold. Something like this. Also, I don't like this extended sideways movement. That's why maybe I want to see something like this here. Yeah, temporary drop again, and to see something like a pin bar. Okay, false breakdown with great separation, which will maybe be confirmed by a strong bullish candle, and then the price will, yeah, rebound, will resume a strong leg higher, swing higher, because something like this, yeah, because registering a valid breakdown here below the uptrend line, so dropping below it, test, retests, yeah, of the uptrend line could signal potential larger downside movement. Okay, so but this scenario could take shape only if the dollar index will come back higher or something. So yeah. Silver, guys, and we'll talk also about Japanese yen, don't worry. So temporary rebound, it has found resistance here around right above or below the weekly pivot point, 22,978. I don't know, in the short term the bias is still bearish here on silver. Let's take a look. And here, if it will validate, yeah, you can see here, if it will maybe validate its breakdown here, test, retest, maybe a new lower low here, could signal potential drop here in silver, yeah, in the short term. So this could be only a temporary rebound after its strong sell-off, downside movement, something like an up channel, something like a flag pattern, a bearish pattern right now, breakdown, a breakout through the uptrend line. But personally I would like maybe to see something like this, test, retest, and then a new lower low could activate a potential drop here in silver. Okay, US oil, let's take a look, because if you remember, I've shared my opinion, my video analysis in US oil, and I talked about something like this, like an extended range pattern between 88.52, 86.19. I told you that a valid breakout, and right now the price tries to validate its breakout from this range. Also, it has escaped from this from a minor triangle. And I don't know, maybe we'll have something here, but yeah, don't forget that today we had the OPEC, yeah, meeting. So right now in the short term the volatility is high, and later the crude oil inventories. So maybe I'll wait for this indicator, because this indicator could bring some movement, could bring maybe more activity here in the short term on the US oil. So right now, breakout, retest, and maybe it will extend its upside movement. If you remember, I've talked about the potential upside continuation because the price of US oil stands or actually is in an uptrend. And here something like an accumulation, consolidation, trying to attract more buyers. It has failed to come back to test, retest, or to approach to reach the 86.19. And but first of all, here I'll wait for the price maybe to stabilize above 88.52. I don't know, test, retest, sideways movement, a new higher high could signal potential growth here in US oil. Yeah. So let's take a look. First of all, let's talk about Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar, guys, it has reached this former uptrend line, strong rally, strong upside movement after taking out this resistance, the downtrend line, or after jumping, stabilizing above the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork. I will delete the descending pitchfork. You can see also here how the price respected these lines. So retest of the upper medium line, drop, retest of the medium line, drop towards the first warning line of the descending pitchfork. Okay, so right now here, Euro versus the US dollar, guys. So retest of this uptrend line. I don't know, it remains to see. This could still be only a temporary rebound, temporary growth here, only because the dollar index registered this strong downside movement. So maybe I will look for I told you that when the dollar index will end its sell-off, its downside movement, I will look for US dollar longs. Okay, so Euro versus the US dollar, we have a strong negative correlation between the dollar index and the Euro versus the US dollar. So I will look maybe for shorts here, but maybe I want to see something, I don't know, maybe test, retest or something, or a pin bar, strong pin bar, before the price will turn to the downside, before maybe I will consider going short on this market, on this pair. Okay, so I still need confirmation. Also, if you'll use something like this, like an ascending pitchfork, yeah, it has reached the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, which represents a dynamic resistance. And here around the medium line, maybe test, retest or something, a bearish pattern could signal potential downside movement. And in my opinion, if the dollar index will continue to drop, guys, you have to be careful, because jumping, stabilizing above the medium line could signal potential further growth here. So you have to be careful. So let's take a look. 6J. First of all, let's talk about the Japanese yen. Maybe we'll have an opportunity. I've told you that I really want maybe to open a trade. So yen futures, strong rally after finding support here on the 0.008656. If it will maybe continue to grow here, one moment, because I want to something like this here on the Japanese yen futures, very important. And here confluence area. Yeah, if you remember, I've told you guys that maybe when the price makes a false breakout through a confluence area, it will move in the opposite direction. So you can use this strategy, technique or something, approach. So confluence area, so we have here this former low 0.008656, and also the medium line of the descending pitchfork. At the intersection we have a confluence area, and only false breakdown, retest of this static support, and then rally. So potential further growth here, guys. Also it has retested the upper medium line, the weekly pivot point, and potential further growth, guys, could signal that the yen could appreciate versus its rivals. Right now it challenges the 150% Fibonacci line. Also, let's take a look. 1, 2, and it has reached the medium line of this ascending pitchfork, but the bias remains bullish. Okay, so yen basket, because first of all I want to show you why the the Japanese yen could appreciate, okay, versus its rivals, before maybe we'll identify a new buying opportunity on the Japanese yen. So I've told you earlier today in a short video, yeah, Japanese yen breakdown or something, because these videos, market breakdowns, are only for the VIP members. Yeah, today I've decided to share my my Japanese yen breakdown also into the free group. Yeah, these kind of videos will be only for the VIPs, and in these videos I will talk about I don't know, potential setups. I will show you maybe my thought process. I will talk about opportunities, trading opportunities, buying opportunities, selling opportunities. Yeah. So earlier today, I've talked about something like this sideways movement here, and I've talked about potential rally, bullish momentum towards the downtrend line, towards the weekly pivot point, and I've told you that as long as it stays above the lower medium line, a sideways movement followed by a value breakout could signal potential growth, potential rally, and the potential rally here upside the movement after this, I don't know, maybe it's a triangle or something here. One moment, something like this. So after something like this, a triangle, a very breakout, upside breakout could signal potential growth, and the potential growth here could signal that the Japanese yen will could dominate the currency market, could appreciate versus its rivals. Okay, so euro Japanese yen. Yeah. One moment, because I want to invite also more members. So I'm also waiting for messages, for questions, guys. Please, if you want me to take a look on a specific market. So euro versus the Japanese yen, sell off right now, but here on this market I don't have a great setup right now. Let's take a look on 1 hour. That's why personally I've talked about the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, also about the British pound versus the Canadian dollar. Something like this. Maybe a very breakdown here could signal potential drop. Let's take a look. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, strong sell-off right now here as well. Strong sell-off here. And in my opinion, guys, Juan, Olympic, can you explain us which time frame do you use to make analysis, please? I see 4 hour time frame several times. Yeah. How can you take a look at Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar? Yeah, I will take a look on those markets. But first of all, I want to finish here with the Japanese yen. So, guys, also, yeah. We are still not yet there. So Juan, yeah, right now here I'm taking a look on maybe on much more on the 4 hour chart, but yeah, I'm using also daily, weekly, I don't know, 1 hour. Also I'm taking a look also on smaller time frames. So I'm not looking only on 4 hour. Yeah, so I'm making my analysis on daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, weekly. Yeah. So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, strong sell-off, but I don't want to sell it here right now, only because the lower medium line of the red ascending pitchfork could represent a dynamic support, downside obstacle. So that's why I want confirmation, and I want the price to validate this breakdown or to drop here to stabilize below the 50%. retracement level before dropping deeper. So here I don't know, I'm still undecided on which pair I will go short, or on which pair I will go long on the Japanese yen. Here personally I have a major descending pitchfork, 1, 2, and 3, and here retest of the upper medium line, drop, rebound. Its failure to approach to reach to retest the upper medium line could signal a potential maybe downside movement. Personally, maybe I was thinking at something like this, but no, I don't know. Maybe this is not a really good setup, because yeah, here the price could drop a little towards this former low and it could rebound. So yeah, right now I will stay away maybe. Yeah, that's why I don't want to send this sell stop, because personally I want something like this, test retest, which could bring me, yeah, selling opportunity sooner. Yeah, all time frames, not all time frames. Personally, I'm not looking on 1 minute, 5 minutes, monthly or something. Yeah, much more on daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, I don't know. And also for intraday trades, maybe also 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah, so it's important to take a look on several time frames, on also on daily, weekly, I don't know, or on smaller time frames, because it's important for you to understand the price action. If you are in an uptrend, downtrend, if you are in a sideways movement, correction, retreat, I don't know, because it's very important for you to know where you are. Yeah. British pound versus the Japanese yen. Let's take a look here, because earlier today I've shared also my opinion. I've sent a video talking about this market, British pound versus Japanese yen. So again, it has found resistance here around 155.18, and it could challenge the uptrend line, guys. So I've told you earlier today, I've talked about two scenarios. Yeah, further growth here, test, retest, false breakouts above the upper medium line, valid breakdown, sell off. Yeah, so I'm waiting for something like this, or breakdown, test, retest, and then sell off. Okay, and in my opinion, only staying above the uptrend line within this channel, valid breakout above the upper medium line could invalidate a potential new sell-off, downside movement potential. But in my opinion, right now, I've told you that the yen basket could extend its upside movement, which could signal that the yen could appreciate, and that's why personally I want to go long on the Japanese yen. And I don't know, I'm still waiting for a breakout here, and because I've told you something like this here, test, retest here, breakdown, drop, will help me to hide my stop loss here. Yeah, right above a potential new higher high or something. And something like this, maybe valid breakdown, test, retest, drop, will maybe will help me also to place my stop loss here, maybe above this former high, above the weekly R1 or something. Yeah, so it's really important, yeah, to plan your trade. Yeah, so also we talked about euro, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Sell off here as well, and here very important, failing to stabilize above this downtrend line. I don't know, stabilizing below it could signal potential sell off, but yeah, maybe I will keep an eye on this market as well. So I'm looking for shorts on all these markets. Breakdown, yeah, but I want test, retest before dropping deeper here as well. Yeah, this could be something like rising wedge pattern or something, but we still need confirmation, test, retest. I want to see something like this before dropping deeper. So yeah, I will come back later when I'll have confirmation, because I will have to choose from all these markets, pairs. I will select my the best setup. Selling position, but yeah, this my trade will be only for the VIP members, yeah, unfortunately. So if you are only a free member, yeah, unfortunately we will not get this trade. And if you want my trades, my trade management, because even if maybe I will share my trade with also on the free group, I will not share my trade management, which is really important and crucial, because even if you will have my levels, yeah, sell, stop, I don't know, stop loss, take profit or something, if you will not have my trade management, you will not know maybe when to manage your position, yeah, maybe if I will close it at break even, if I will move my stop loss at break even, if I will decide to close it in profit before reaching the take profit or something. So it's really important, because even maybe the price will be in profit for you, and then it will turn against you, and you will not know when and why to close your position, yeah, to cut your losses, or maybe to close it at break even or something. So here New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen as well, I'm waiting for a confirmation test, retest before maybe dropping deeper. So yeah, maybe we'll have an opportunity soon here on the Japanese yen, yeah. Juan, thank you as well. Yeah, so GBP US dollar, yes, strong rally here only because the dollar index plunged. I don't know, right now I don't have anything on the British pound versus the US dollar, because yeah, it has ignored this downtrend line. And I don't know, it remains to see how the dollar index will react. Let's go back to the dollar index. It remains to see how the dollar index will react here, yeah, around the 61.8, around the medium line, yeah. And after was unexpected data, I don't know what to say. Tomorrow also you have to be careful around the BOE, ECB, because yeah, Bank of England and also the European Central Bank could have an impact on the dollar index, on the US dollar as well. Unemployment claims, yeah, potential drop expected. ISM services PMI from the United States, and yeah, 59.5 points. Final services PMI, I don't know, worse than expected data. Also the US factory orders, 0.4% drop expected. You have to be careful, because maybe also this is why the US dollar maybe could continue to drop in the short term, and also on Friday. But yeah, maybe, I don't know, maybe I will host a live session for the VIPs only around the non-farm payrolls. Maybe we'll open trades, yeah. Or also maybe tomorrow around the ECB, BOE, yeah. You have to be careful, right? So yeah, let's go back. GBP US dollar. Yeah, right now the dollar index tries to rebound. That's why maybe the British pound versus the US dollar could come back to maybe to test retest the 38.2. I don't know, but personally I don't have something really good here, yeah, in the short term. After passing above the downtrend line, yeah, yeah, also breakout above the upper medium line. Right now I don't have something really good here on this market. Still, this could be only a temporary rebound, but I want to see something like this. I don't know, maybe sideways movement, test, retest, I don't know, maybe an up channel or something, before I will consider going short again, yeah. US dollar, Japanese yen. If you remember, guys, I've talked about the medium line of the ascending pitchfork about 115.52 in a video analysis in the previous week, Yeah, maybe the price was here, and I told you that it could find resistance and then it could drop. Yeah, so resistance here at the medium line, at the conference area, and right now sell off, strong sell off. Because the yen futures rallied, the yen basket rebounded, and also the dollar index dropped, plunged, and that's why this market is trading in the red right now. But unfortunately, I don't have something really good here right now. I don't know, maybe something like this. I don't know. Right now, I'll wait for the price maybe to end its current sell-off drop before maybe we'll identify something. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3, and here it has reached the medium of the descending pitchfork, but I don't have a setup here. Yeah. US dollar, Canadian dollar, let's take a look. Yeah, if you remember, guys, I've talked about something like this in a video. So personally, I've closed my position 1.2740 at break even. Okay, also because yeah, maybe it was maybe my entry was too high. Yeah. And here, after these false breakouts above the 150% Fibonacci line, personally, I've expected something like a retreat correction. But in the previous days, I've shared my my analysis here, a video analysis, I believe, or something, or actually yesterday, US dollar, Canadian dollar breakdown or something. Short video only for the VIP members, I don't remember, but something like this. I've told you that here test retest of the medium line, okay, the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, test retest, sideways movement followed by valid breakout could bring us new buying opportunity. So yeah, maybe this could be only a temporary retreat before jumping higher. So sideways movement, test, retest, accumulation, consolidation here above the medium line could bring us maybe new buying opportunities. And yeah, I will keep an eye on this market. But first of all, I want the dollar index to end its correction, its downside movement, before I will take action on the US dollar. Yeah. Strong sell-off here on the US dollar Swiss franc. We have a strong positive correlation between the US dollar Swiss franc versus the dollar and the dollar index. So strong sell-off on the dollar index, strong sell-off here on this market. Please take a look here. 1, 2, and 3. Drop, retest, false breakout. Yeah, with great separation. Sell-off. I don't know, something like an extended sideways movement, but also maybe the price action printed something like a major pattern triangle here as well. Maybe something like this. So yeah, I'll wait also for the dollar index to end its sell-off. And only a new leg higher registered by the dollar index could bring us new maybe buying opportunities here on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. We'll talk also about US equities. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, it has reached the downtrend line, false breakout. The bias remains bearish. This could be only a temporary growth, rebound after its sell-off. So false breakout, but I'm still waiting for maybe for the price to maybe to I don't know, to make a very breakdown here below the uptrend line or something before going short on this market. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, maybe. Sell off here on the Australian dollar, US dollar, but it remains to see how it will react here around the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, guys. Please, if you have maybe more questions. So this is a free and public live trading webinar, Forex webinar. I'm trying to take a look on all markets. I'm trying to identify new opportunities, and then I will share my trades with the VIP members, yeah, when I have confirmation. Here as well, Australian dollar, US dollar, maybe potential up channel here as well, yeah. And I want a value breakdown before dropping deeper. Okay, US 100, let's take a look. We had a strong rally in the short term because the dollar index plunged. But after this strong rally, we cannot exclude a temporary drop. Maybe resistance here around this former low, 15,162.9. But I will not sell it right now here because I don't know, it could make something like this. US 100, Nasdaq, US 30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's take a look. Strong rally here as well. I want to see something here because maybe test, retest, false breakouts could signal potential bearish movement, sell-off on the US 30, US 500. Sorry about that. Here, so I have a descending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3, and an ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3, and here the price is right below the uptrend line here and above the medium line, and here a value breakout. Test retest could maybe signal an upside continuation or something on US 500. So I will keep an eye on this market because worse than expected US data could push the dollar index lower, and maybe the US equities will jump higher or something. Bitcoin sell off, yeah. Test retest of the broken uptrend line, and right now sell off on Bitcoin. And in my opinion here, a new lower low, dropping, closing and stabilizing below 36,631.66, below the weekly pivot point, could activate maybe a larger downside movement. Something like this. Ethereum, sell off on Ethereum as well, only because the dollar, the price of Bitcoin drops, and when the price of Bitcoin drops, the altcoins could drop as well. And yeah, it has failed to approach to reach that former low, but also these former lows here as resistance, former highs, or something like an area here. And yeah, this could be only a temporary rebound before dropping deeper on Ethereum. Of course, if you're interested in cryptocurrencies, but only a value breakdown, yeah, could signal potential downside continuation, downside movement, strong sell-off or something in Ethereum. Yeah, if you are interested in something like this. So when I'm talking about a value breakdown, something like this: drop, test, retest, new lower low, and then boom. Yeah. Okay. Litecoin. Let's take a look. Yeah, personally, I've talked about Litecoin here, something like a sideways movement, ascending pitchfork, but also about a major falling wedge pattern, but only a very breakout, so sideways movement. Even if the price will retest the lower medium line or 105, a very breakout above the black downtrend line could signal potential bullish reversal on Litecoin. Okay, It seems that you don't have maybe more questions. Dollar index again. I will take a look on gold again. Yeah, strong rebound on the dollar index. That's why the US dollar has started to grow. Let's take a look. I believe that we have a sell-off. No, on gold right now. The price of gold continues to stay right below the weekly pivot point. Yeah, silver, guys. Yeah. Maybe I'll have something like an opportunity here. So very important, I've told you that I want the price of silver to validate its breakdown. So breakdown, and right now it tries to retest the broken uptrend line. Let's retest maybe, and very important support here, 22.523. Maybe a new downtrend line or something. I will think about this potential short opportunity. I don't know. Maybe I will, if I will decide, maybe, or maybe my setup will be something like this. Let's take a look. I don't know. Right now I'm not decided. Maybe a sell stop, a pending order. Maybe I will hide my stop loss above this this high, yeah, immediate high, because here test, retests, and the new lower low could activate a potential downside movement. Okay, in the short term, maybe this will be my setup. I don't know if I'll decide to go short on silver. I will share my trade with the VIP members only. Yeah. The VIP members are paying a subscription every month, and that's why personally I'm sending a lot of content, VIP content, into the VIP group. Also, I will host live webinars for VIP only. I will continue to record trading tutorials, yeah, market breakdowns, news analyses, a lot of stuff for the VIP only. Can you see Euro, South African Rand? Yeah, I can take a look. Euro. I'm not trading this market. Let's take a look. I don't know. I have something like an analysis. Whoa. Whoa. So I will delete this major descending pitchfork. Also this channel. Euro, South African Rand. Thank you for your message, because let's take a look. So this pivot point, this pivot here, 17.2307. It says it has escaped from the descending pitchfork's body. I will select another color. And now it challenges the medium line. I will delete this pitchfork. Thank you, because maybe I will have a long opportunity, maybe here in Euro versus the South African Rand. Thank you. So personally, I have here something like this: 1, 2, and 3, a descending pitchfork, a descending pitchfork, and here, guys, the price has found support. I will delete this one as well, because I will keep only 17.0915. okay, static support. And here maybe guys something like a falling wedge pattern. It's not a perfect falling wedge because we don't have something like, I don't know, 1 2 3 4 or 5 or I don't know, something like this, because we have only something like this, something like a sideways movement. But in my opinion, a valid breakout here and stabilization could signal something here. I don't know, but also unfortunately we have something like a strong resistance here around 17.5292, this former high, immediate high. That's why I want something like this, yeah, very breakout here and a strong accumulation consolidation before considering resuming its upside movement or something. I don't know, something like this on Euro, South African Rand. I've told you that I'm not trading this market, but yeah, maybe I will have something. I'm not trading this market because I don't know, the spread, it seems that it's really high, and yeah, it's but yeah, I will keep an eye on this market. Kimed Suren, thank you. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing correctly your name or something, but let's draw something like this as well. 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. Maybe something like this. So temporary growth here, so an ascending pitch for 1 2 and 3, rally, false breakdown with great separation, but yeah, I'm still maybe waiting for something like this, maybe to signal potential growth towards the medium line or something. So yeah, Edward, I tried to be a VIP member, but coupon has expired. Yeah, unfortunately the coupon expired. That's why I've told you in the previous week that you should hurry up, because the coupon will expire. And yeah, right now, if you want to become a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video, and for only £35 per month you can become a VIP member. Yeah, and I don't know, it's up to you, but for only £35 per month you will get a lot of stuff here in our VIP Telegram group, if you will be a VIP member. Because I don't know, if you will take a look at competition or something, it's not like I want you to take a look at competition, but if you will take a look on other platforms like Learn to Trade, yeah, for our services, for what you will get here, becoming a VIP member, you will have to pay on other platforms, or if you'll choose another company, you will have to pay maybe hundreds of dollars for the same services, for trades, trade management, webinars, live trading webinars, video analysis, market analysis, yeah, I don't know, tutorials, educational stuff, educational webinars, news. I believe that for all these, I don't know, short videos, a lot of VIP content, you will have to pay, I don't know, I believe that's more than, I don't know, $200-400 per month. And here at Learn to Trade, you get all these for £35 per month. So yeah, okay, thanks guys for joining me here. Don't forget to like this video here right now. Yeah, it will be highly appreciated. It will help me to the YouTube algorithm. And I really hope that I'll get confirmation on the GBP versus the Japanese yen, because I really want to go short or to go long on the Japanese yen. Yeah, but right now I'm still waiting for confirmation. US oil. Yeah, right now that breakout was invalidated after OPEC meeting. That's why personally I've stayed away. I didn't wanted to go long around the OPEC meeting, because anything could happen around these high impact events, sharp movements, high volatility. And one moment, because I believe that we also have crude oil inventories, yeah, in the negative territory, guys. So I will send you, sorry, one moment. Into the VIP. So I've shared that indicator crude oil inventories actual 1.047, so worse than expected. So the indicator, the crude oil inventories worse than expected, which could help the US oil maybe to rise a little, maybe. Yeah, will personal yeah, let's wait and see how the US oil will react right after the US let's take a look here. US crude oil inventories, that indicator. Crude oil inventory. So I've already shared it, because here on Forex Factory, yeah, so something like this, crude oil inventories. And something like this maybe could help the US oil to grow, yeah, a little. Okay, thanks guys. Maybe tomorrow or on Friday I will host a live webinar for the VIP members only. Yeah, when I'll talk about fundamentals, psychology, also technical analysis if you want, I don't know, educational stuff, also about trading, about my trades, if I will open several trades. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.